Hello, welcome back, guys. And are you ready to make some money today? Now, if you haven't had a payout, I'm going to tell you the exact reason why you are being unsuccessful with your trading. It is your self-sabotaging cycle that is causing you to be unsuccessful. The reason why you're not being successful with trading or getting payouts. Now, it is the bad habits of over leveraging, over trading, staying in the markets, looking at the charts all day, and outside of the markets, it may be what's your procrastination. It may be your lack of strong will and psychology that has caused you to be self-sabotaging towards your trading career. Now, can you get out of that? Yes, absolutely. But you are the main reason why you are unsuccessful. And when I came to terms with that, I've been an entrepreneur for 14 years, and I've realized accountability is really important when it comes to running a business. And with trading, it is a business. So when you take trades, you have to go into putting risk on prior to the trade, understanding that you could lose that money. And how much are you willing to lose a day? So how many times are you willing to lose a day? What does your strategy look like? Like, you have to be good at understanding your business model. So when you take that second trade for the day and it's an L, 2 L's back to back, that goes against the rules. You could have just taken 1 L. Moving your stop loss from break even back up to, where it was and taking an L. Follow the rules. I still have a hard time with that one aspect, but I'm getting better over time because I'm practicing. When you actually do it real time and say, hey, that wasn't so bad, and you realize life continues to go on, you're going to become a better trader. But as of right now, when you say, forget this, crash out this account, that's not cool. That is not acceptable. And you deserve to be losing money if that's the case. Hard pill to swallow? Yes. I went through it. I have overcome that. Now, I'm 3 weeks into the combine. I had a whole losing streak. I'm in a losing streak. Hopefully this one trade plays out, because then I'll make back my losses. But you have to follow the rules, because I could have crashed out a long time ago, taking 2, 3, 4 back-to-back L's. I'm at 6 L's right now, guys. 6 losses back-to-back. I think that was 6. But I could have crashed out. I could have said, $500, because I still technically have 2 trades I can take, $250. As of right now, this trade is break even. So if I take a loss today on Friday, I'll come back and still have a Monday and Tuesday opportunity for the markets to set up, Asia, London to show something for New York to then play out, and I can get out of this drawdown, catch a good trade. All it takes is 1, 2 good trades back to back to be back in profit. Now, if you crash out, you cannot give yourself that opportunity. If you take more than 1 loss in a day when you're in already a losing streak, you can make it much more difficult to get out of that drawdown. If you over leverage, you're definitely making it difficult for yourself to get out of drawdown. You're self-sabotaging yourself. So please do not do that no more. I shouldn't even be saying please, just do not do that no more, okay? Now, this is me sounding kind of stern, but I think some of you guys really need to hear this, because I didn't really follow anybody. I kind of learned on my own how to trade. And, this is just me being real with you guys, but I had a mirror in front of my trading desk, in the very beginning. And I think some people go through this. You're fighting your demons, your bad habits, self-sabotaging. Why? I would yell at myself in the mirror and just say, why do you keep doing this? What's wrong with you? And there's nothing wrong with you guys. I just think you need to hear it from like a coach, from somebody on YouTube like myself, and just say, hey, don't do that. Lock yourself out, and you will become successful. Once you shift that self-sabotaging habits of yours into what successful, profitable day traders do, and build a cycle along those winning habits. And once you start to win long term, even being in a drawdown for a long period of time, and then see an actual comeback, that's going to help build confidence in yourself and self-understanding to continue to trade correctly, even if you take loss after loss after loss after loss after loss, a lot of losses, right? So just continue to trade correctly. Trust the process. Quit your self-sabotaging habits. You're killing your trading career. You're killing your own mind psychologically, and your emotions are getting affected. And just understand that once you realize and have some self-accountability that you are the main reason, you are the only reason why you haven't been successful or have had a payout in trading, you will start to shift to a winning strategy and then start to see actually how it feels to win long term, get a payout, make multiple payouts, and then you'll start to want to keep doing that. And once you start doing that, that cycle starts to become a habit. Like I said in another video, 90 days doing something correctly starts to become a habit. After 120 days, it's ingrained in you. And after a year of doing things the way, doing something for a year, it is something that you consistently and constantly will keep doing. So if you trade correctly and understand one trade a day, break evens are okay, following your rules, you will, after a year, be a totally different trader. But it's going to take some time. Give yourself some time. Have some self-love, self-understanding to say, hey, I will give myself as much time as I need, but today could be the day if I just follow the rules. Now, stop self-sabotaging your trading profits, your career, and let's start making some money and making some payouts so that we can live, you can live, I can live our dream lives where we don't have to go to a 9 to 5, where we could be driving the nice car, paying our bills, maybe start off slow, just starting to pay groceries and gas with our profits, right? Another profit, as they get bigger, paying bills, paying the mortgage. Oh, wow, I've built a 6-figure savings. Now I'm gonna go buy me a car, finance it, because I know my trading profits could pay for it. Start out like that, guys. Just reward yourself for even trading, guys. Now I'm not trying to bash you guys, but congratulate yourself, pat yourself on the back, say, hey, good job trading. Don't give up, but I have to quit my self-sabotaging habits so that I can become successful like the 1%ers in this world who actually are consistently profitable and making payouts. Now, if you found value in this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and do me a huge favor. One of my goals is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 73 right now, so you could be number 74. If you're number 74, write it in there. I'm your 74th sub, and maybe we can link up on Instagram. But please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in another video.